Alright, today we're going to take a look at the NJZ camping table. It's packaged quite well with this travel bag with a strap, and it includes instructions in case you need to reference how to build it and take it back apart. And inside the bag you'll find the tabletop, the table legs, and 2 straight rods. And that's all you're going to need to put this table together. You'll start by unfolding the table legs, and once you hear a clicking sound, you know that it's locked into place. Next, you're going to take the pieces for the straight rods, and there's just a little button that you'll click on there and it'll lock into place. So those will be 2 that'll help support the table. And after that, you'll just take those 2 straight rods and you'll pop them onto the table legs. You'll hear kind of a little click, and they'll be on there secure. Now you can go ahead and take your tabletop and lie it flat on top of the table legs, and then there'll be a couple little notches, actually 4 notches that'll fit there to help secure the table into place. I actually have the NJZ camping chair, so I'm going to go ahead and unfold that now and see how it fits when it's sitting right next to the table. So you can see, just for reference, I put a planter on top of the table, and it does just fine supporting it. You can put, plates or cups or coffee mugs or whatever you want to use it for. Maybe just some sort of storage when you're camping. Otherwise, yeah, it'd be pretty nice to use for dining on. I'm going to go ahead and disassemble the table. So you just undo these notches that the table is locked onto. And we're just going to go ahead and kind of fold it up like an accordion. And once you get that nice and together, there's a spot for it in the bag that'll fit nice and snug. Next, you just detach the 2 support bars, and then you'll just push that button and they'll unlock. Then you'll have those 4 bars that will fit back inside the box, and they have special sections there where they'll fit nice and snug. And you'll just want to fold that on the side, because there'll be one more space for the table legs to fold up. So go ahead and unlock that with that pin that'll unlock the legs, and that'll fold up nice and tight. Then you just go ahead and use that Velcro strap to strap it into place so it won't open up on you. And then it should fit nice and tightly inside the bag. And once you have that in there snugly, go ahead and zip it back up. And then you're on your way. You've got a couple convenient straps to carry, and you're off on your next adventure. Thanks for watching.